Well, hey everybody, welcome back to Route 66 Restoration. Look, I think it's a change in plans here a little bit for me. I have a bit of a different camera that I'm going to try to use, and we'll see how that works out. It seems to be a little steadier when I hold it, so not so shaky. And I think we're just going to keep trying to use it from now on, and hopefully get you guys some better quality videos. It has time lapse, so maybe I'll be able to do some time lapses for you. But this is maybe a change in the corner of how the channel's going, and maybe we can spend a little more time together rather than just trying to use the old cell phones. So I thank you for joining in, and those of you who are new and have liked and subscribed in the last little bit, I appreciate you. And we'll try to go through this adventure together. Talk to you later.